Truth be told, I am a Mac guy. I use Mac because of one reason. Okay, maybe it's not one, but the main reason I'm using Macintosh computers is that I love a software called Final Cut Pro, and Final Cut Pro is a software that only works on Apple machines, and it's a video editing application that is super good, that is so intuitive, that just works. But I never hated Windows, because my job is to provide ICT support. Most of the time it's in a Windows environment. So I do software support, hardware support, networking, and most of these things that I do it in Windows. So I use Windows and I use Mac, but personally I prefer Macs because they're straightforward, no worrying about a lot of things, no worrying about .NET framework. What the fuck? Okay. Windows, why do you not just activate all the .NET frameworks, just install everything on your software and just let it just work on your operating system? Now you have to install an application, it will tell you .NET framework. And I come from a background of South Africa where most people don't have access to internet and they still need to use your computers. But now the problem is they need to install something, you tell them this is short and they need internet to download this, and why Windows? So ladies and gentlemen, here I'm about to talk about Windows 11. Windows 11, I'm hoping that some of these things that I'm talking about will be fixed in Windows 11. I'm just hoping. But from what I've seen so far, it is amazing. Especially, I'm only gonna talk about the aesthetics, the way it looks, because I've not used it yet. I cannot tell you much about it. I will tell you, the start button has moved from the left to the middle. So what they mean by that is that they want you to feel like it's all centered around you. So the Windows button has moved, the start button has moved from the left to the center. And the Windows menu, the start menu as well, is moved to the center. It's more refined, more nicer, less text, more icons, and it has this glassy look, transparent look that is very nice. So it looks like it's gonna be moving towards more about Mac or Linux kind of design. They are abandoning their old classic boring design and they are coming towards the transparent sort of mobile-ish look, and I think it looks nice. So one of the most important things that I've seen with these other guys reviewing Windows that I've already downloaded the early version of it, I love the way it behaves when you're using multiple displays. When maybe you're on your laptop here and you have an extra display here, and you've got multiple windows open in the extra display, and you have also some windows open on the laptop itself, and you unplug the extra display. Usually what will happen is that everything will just go haywire on your laptop. All the windows will just pop up wherever they want to pop up, and they fixed that, ladies and gentlemen. They have fixed that. I wish Mac can also fix that, because Mac has that problem. So when you unplug the display, everything that is on the extra display will just minimize. And Windows will actually store this information of how the windows are arranged, and when you plug it back, everything will go back to normal as it was. So that is one feature that is amazing, guys. And then another thing is that they've added Teams on the operating system itself, which is odd, because I've always thought of Teams as a professional meeting kind of thing. I thought if they were to add a communication software, they would go for Skype, because they also own Skype. They bought it for a lot of money a few years ago. I'm wondering why they decided to ditch Skype and go with Teams. But then anyway, they have their own reasons. So now you don't have to install a Teams app to be able to make calls to your family and friends and work colleagues and stuff like that. It comes with Windows itself. So I will make another video once I think I'm gonna be downloading the Windows 11 today, and I'm gonna make another video that will be sort of a demo of how it works, and I'll tell you all the disadvantages and advantages of Windows 11. So ladies and gentlemen, so far this is what I can tell you about Windows 11. I hope it makes sense to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.